just any brownies. We're making Christmas tree brownies!
And we want to give a great big baker shout out to
Adriana, my aunt, and Isabella, my cousin, for giving us this recipe.
Yes, they gave us the idea for this recipe, so this is in their honor. And we hope like them and all of you will get into the kitchen and make this because it's super easy and so much fun to do with your friends and family. Are you ready to get started?
Yes!
Let's walk our bakers through the list of ingredients.
So we have eggs, we have dark chocolate, melted butter, flour, salt, cocoa powder, brown sugar, and we have white sugar, and vanilla extract.
It's a tablespoon of vanilla extract and a tablespoon of coffee. Now, if you guys remember from our chocolate cupcakes video, link will be in the description box below, we taught you guys that coffee enhances the flavor of chocolate. So today we're making decadent chocolate brownies. You're not going to taste the coffee at all. It's just going to give it that added depth of flavor, which I think is really important because we want this to be really chocolatey. Because who loves chocolate?
Me!
This girl right here and this girl right here. I also wanted to let you guys know that you can also just buy boxed brownie mix and make this recipe, guys. You know I'm all about the shortcuts. If you don't have time to do the whole shebang, Duncan Hines is our favorite brand, but you can use any brand that you'd like. So to get started, we're gonna grab our, what is it?
We forgot to introduce you guys to our special guest.
Oh, we have a special guest. How exciting!
Drum roll, please. Jingles!
Jingles! Oh my goodness! I didn't even know he was there. Hello, Jingles.
He can also sing if you press his belly right there. Yeah!
Oh my gosh!
Do you hear that?
What is that noise? Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Jingles turned us into reindeer!
He sent us all the way to the North Pole, sprinkled us with elf magic, and here we are!
We're reindeer!
What sound does a reindeer make?
It's like a grunting sound, and it sounds like this.
Wow, that's pretty awesome. Now let's get started with our delicious brownies. So, in our bowl, we're gonna put in our melted butter.
Like a melting snowman, Thea.
Oh yes, you're worth melting for.
Some people are worth melting for.
Next is gonna go our
Vanilla extract.
and our coffee. And then we're gonna go with our 3 eggs. And we always crack our eggs in a separate bowl to make sure we don't get a bad egg, or if there's any shell, it's easier to catch before your whole batter has a little extra crunch to it. No one wants a crunchy batter, huh? If you hear Gingy being called numerous times, it's because Lily is having a party on the floor with her coloring books, and Ginger, Stingy Gingy, aka, is helping her color. Right, Mama?
Yes!
All right, second egg in. And the last egg. Then we're gonna take our electric whisk and we're just gonna incorporate this. So you just wanna break up the eggs at this point. You're not looking for like any whipped consistency or it to be light and fluffy or anything. Next, we're going to add our sugar. So we have our white sugar. Gingy is really making Troopster mad. What do you think? All right, and brown sugar.
Wow!
You see how it's getting a little bit thicker and a darker color now? You know what time it is?
What?
Blossom!
I know! Oh, Thea, look!
What?
Jingles move!
Oh my goodness! He is just popping his little elf magic all over the kitchen, huh?
All over!
Oh man! I think I feel a challenge coming on.
I know! What if you guys tell us how many times did you see Jingles move?
That's
Tell me in
great.
the comments below.
All right, so we have our cocoa powder and our flour and salt, and we're just gonna sieve this through. I would highly suggest sieving this. I know sometimes you can skip this step, but because cocoa powder tends to be quite lumpy, you definitely don't want to skip that step. Why don't you go in with your Mickey hand and give this a light fold so we can get it lightly incorporated, and then we'll finish it off with our whisk. All right.
I can see that smoke.
It's a cloud of cocoa.
And the stiff cloud is back.
Oh gosh, not the stiff cloud. Now we're gonna start on one so that we don't have a major stiff cloud going on of cocoa powder. You see how this is coming together very nicely?
It looks like frosting.
Yeah, well, you know brownie batter is nice and thick and fudgy. Let us know in the comments below, do you like a fudgy brownie or a cakey brownie? Me, I am team fudgy all day. What about you?
Team Fudgy.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Jingles! Hello! Oh man, you know what time it is. It's getting ready. It's getting ready. Oh! Last but certainly not least are chocolate chunks. Now these are Belgian chocolate, dark chocolate. They're about 60% cocoa. They're just delightful. I actually get them at Aldi's. I'll try to find the link. For those who don't shop at Aldi's, those are going in. It's really great, and they have really excellent chocolate because it's imported from Germany. So if you haven't checked it out, now you know the secret. And we're just gonna fold in these chocolate chunks. Oh man, this looks so good, doesn't it? All right, so now we are ready to put it into our tin. It's a 9x13 baking dish. You can put this also in an 8x8. You'll just have thicker brownies. And we also just lined it with some parchment paper, and we sprayed it with a little bit of butter spray just to prevent any sticking from happening, and everything can come out of the pan. Nice. Now we're just gonna even this out. Yeah, baby. Oh my goodness, he moved again. He is just trying to hide himself in the paper towel roll so that he can stay here forever. This is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for around 18 to 20 minutes. Again, guys, it depends on your preference. If you're more cakey, leave it in longer. If you're more fudgy, take it out sooner. When you insert a toothpick, if it has still a little bit of chocolate on it, that's for my fudgy lovers. If it comes out clean, that's for my cakey lovers. In this goes. Smell it. Smell it on the way out.
Here's good.
I think someone moved it. Right?
Yes.
Maybe Jingles is giving her extra magic to come faster. All right, so what you're gonna want to do once you have your decadent, chocolatey, delightful brownie.
I'm really salivating.
I know. That's why the drool off. We're gonna cut this into triangles the best way that I can. To form our Christmas trees. And remember guys, we always want to encourage safety in the kitchen, so I'm going to be cutting and Valentina will help with the decorating. Sounds good? One Christmas tree on deck.
Hey, Tia!
Yeah, baby.
Guess what?
What?
Jingles is making tea!
Oh my gosh, Jingles! He must be very parched from all this magic he's spreading around. Yeah, there's another one. Another one!
Another one!
Another one.
Shout out to DJ Khaled.
It's time to decorate!
Time to decorate.
Hey, Tia!
Yes?
Jingles, we want to get a shot at you one of our
keep up with you. He must have gotten hungry, and now he has tea and a brownie. All right, so we have our beautiful Christmas tree shapes. Next step is gonna be to add our little stumps. So for this, we're using some candy canes, and we're just gonna take it and put it on the bottom of the brownie, just like that.
And make sure it does not fall off.
All right, so we have some icing that I dyed green and red, classic Christmas colors. And then we have a lot of fixins here, guys.
There's 4 sprinkles and 1 pot of everything.
So you can use this to mix and match and make each tree your very own. Oh, that's so cool. Then I'm gonna take a nice yellow one, because of course, it's gonna act as my tree topper.
Oh, good idea.
We don't have stars, but who needs stars? We are the stars. You know what I'm saying? I love decorating with you, you know that?
Me too.
I think you should sing a song in Jingle's honor. And you know what goes with Jingle?
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Almost riding a stir riding one horse open sleigh.
Hey!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Almost riding a stir riding one horse open sleigh.
Do we go crazy? Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the ways we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha! Bells are about to ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a song tonight. Oh!
Jingle bells.
That was lovely. I'm sure Jingle is just thriving right now with excitement.
Yeah, I forgot to mention you that Jingles is here.
Oh my
Are you
gosh.
decorating with us? Because I can see all these M&Ms on here.
Oh, he just wants to
And we're
join in.
covered with M&Ms.
I think we have waited long enough. What do you say we try our beautiful Christmas trees? I want you all to know, off camera, Stingy Gingy and Liliana are having a field day with each other. As you can see. We waited long enough. Cheers!
Cheers. This is so good.
I love it. And the crunch from the sprinkles is always such a nice touch. That brownie, guys, is really something.
It sure is. I knew Liliana was gonna come.
Think maybe that you want to try a piece? Yeah? Mmm. Qué rico, ¿sí? It was good, right? Well, this was a real treat, huh?
It was.
Guys, all the ingredients will be linked in the description box below. As always, check that out so you can get in the kitchen and bake this yummy and delicious treat with all your family and friends this season. So, Valentino, what do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up, click the subscribe and turn on the notifications. And don't forget to check out our Instagram, yummy thumbs up. Till next time, bakers.
Ciao for now. We say bye.